Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. And what we have here, this follows when we have a raised to power n minus n, which is same thing as a raised to power n over a raised to power n. So this here, we have 5 raised to power x over 5 squared equals to 120 from here. This also here can rise as 5 raised to power x over 5 squared, that's 25, equals to, here we can write it as 120 over 1. The next step, we cross multiply. 5 raised to power x times 1, same thing as 5 raised to power x, equals to 120 times 25. That is, next step here, we take the log on both sides. As this here we have log 5 raised to power x equals to log 120 times 25 here. That is, next step, applying the power law of logarithm. When we have log m raised to power p, is same thing as p log m. That is, here we have x log 5 equals to log 120 times 25. That is, here this follows the law of logarithm. When we have log a times b, is same thing as log a plus log b. Then we can rewrite this and we have x log 5 equals to log 120 plus log 25. And next step, divide both sides by log 5. Here we divide this side by log 5. Also, divide this side by log 5. That is, here, log 5 cancel each other. What we have becomes x equals to log 120 over log 5 plus log 25 over log 5. Then, next step here, 25 can be written as 5 times 5, which is 5 squared. And we have x equals to log 120 over log 5 plus log 5 squared over log 5. Then we apply the power law of logarithm here. 2 comes here. And what we have becomes x equals to log 120 over log 5 plus 2 log 5 over log 5. That is, here log 5 cancel each other. And this becomes x equals to log 120 over log 5 plus 2. The next step, 120 also can be expressed as 5 times 24. Then what we have here becomes x equals to log 5 times 24 over log 5 plus 2. And this also follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to log 5 plus log 24 over log 5 plus 2. And this, we separate it into two fractions, and this becomes x equals to log 5 over log 5 plus log 24 over log 5 plus 2. Also here, we have log 5 cancel each other, 1 left here. That is, we have x equals to 1 plus 2, that's 3, and plus log 24 over log 5. Then, next step here, also can write 24 as 8 times 3. And what we have becomes x equals to 3 plus log 8 times 3 over log 5. Then This also follows the law of logarithm, and we have x equals to 3 plus log 8 plus log 3 over log 5. Then we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to 3 plus log 8 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. And from here, we can express it as 2 times 2 times 2, which is 2 raised to power 3. We have x equals to 3 plus log 2 raised to power 3 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. That is here. Applying the power law of logarithm, 3 comes there. We have x equals to 3 plus 3 log 2 over log 5 plus log 3 over log 5. Then next step, applying change of base from when we have log a over log b, which is the same thing as log a to base b. Then what we have becomes x equals to 3 plus 3 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. Here we have the value of x in this problem. Then let's check if this satisfies this given problem. This will substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 3 plus 3 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5. That is here, what we have becomes 5 raised to power 3 plus 3 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 minus 2 is equals to 120 on this side. Then here we bring 3 minus 2, that's 1. That's 5 raised to power 1 plus 3 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 is equals to 120 on this side. Next step here, apply the law of indices. This becomes 5 raised to power 1 times 5 raised to power 3 log 2 base 5 times 5 raised to power log 3 base 5 is equals to 120 on this side. Then 5 raised to power 1 here, same thing as 5. Then we revise this 3 up. We have 5 raised to power log 2 raised to power 3, which is 8 base 5 times 5 raised to power log 3 base 5 is equals to 120 on this side. Then this follows when we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. This here we have 5 times 8 times 3. This is equals to 120 on this side. 5 times 8, 40. 40 times 3, 120, which is equals to 120 from here. Left hand side is equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude that x equals to 3 plus 3 log 2 base 5 plus log 3 base 5 satisfies this given problem. Thank you for watching. Don't forget this step. Subscribe for more videos. Turn on the notification bell. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, and put your comment. Also join our membership package. And see you next class. Bye for now.